Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get a Kikoff credit card to start building your credit fast. So, first go to the Kikoff website or download the Kikoff application on your phone. Next, create an account by providing basic information like your name, email and phone number. Then, apply for the Kikoff Credit Builder. So there's no credit check or interest, making it accessible even if you don't have a credit history. Now, after your application is approved, Kikoff will issue your virtual credit card instantly for use online. You can also get a physical card mailed to you if you want to shop in stores. Once you have your card, you can use it responsibly by making small purchases and paying them off on time. Kikoff reports your payments to major credit bureaus, helping boost your credit score over time. What you can also do is navigate to Kikoff support and search for how do I apply for a Kikoff secured credit card. Then in this article, you will see the link to the secured credit card application portal. Click on this small blue link and it is going to take you to this page. So if you'll be logged in or signed up on Kikoff, you will see another page where you can easily find the credit card application portal, where you can apply and get a card instantly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.